Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add the sleep widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on the left image, the lock screen image right here, and then tap on the widget panel. From here, you will see it will say Add Widget, and then scroll down and tap on Sleep. In here, there are two different sleep widgets that you could use: Data and Schedule. This will allow you to see how you slept, and review your sleep schedule. If you swipe across, there is a sleep widget. For this one, view your recent sleep session, including sleep stages. So select the widget that you would like to use. And there is also a small and a large widget size. So tap on that, and that will get added to the widget panel. If there is any widget that you don't like to use, you can tap on the remove button to remove it. And here you can also tap in the sleep widget as well. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the close button, then tap on the close button again to close the add widget screen. From there, tap on done to save the changes, and finally swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now if you press on the lock button and go to your lock screen, you can see it will show your sleep widget on the lock screen. At the moment, it has no data, but once your phone starts to record your sleeping data, it will show us in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.